Mas maraming tao sa Canada ang naghahanap ng trabaho ngayon ayon sa March 2024 Labor Force Survey ng Statistics Canada. Tumaas ang unemployment rate ng 1 percentage point sa 6% kumpara nung isang taon.
Madaming mga naghahanap ng trabaho dito.
Some of my friends here in Vancouver, so they're still looking for the jobs. They can find it.
Marami, pero naghanap sila ng mga part-time jobs, ganun.
Lots of my friends, they are looking for jobs but couldn't find any.
Last year after Corona, I lost my job.
Ayon sa StatCan survey, ilan sa mga pinaka-apektadong sektor kung saan naitala ang pagbaba ng employment ay ang accommodation at food services at ang wholesale and retail trade.
But the spending power has decreases, I think.
The food companies, they are depending a few people. They are putting more burden on few people. They are not want to hire so many like the other newcomers.
I think people start more saving money than spending after COVID.
Bumaba rin ang bilang ng mga trabaho para sa mga mas batang populasyon edad 15 hanggang 24 dahil tumaas ang unemployment para sa mga kabataan sa 12%.
Yung mga yung student visa dito, nahirapan talaga sila.
They don't have any job. Few of them, they are doing warehouse stuff, earning a very little amount, couldn't just back up their lifestyle. So it is very harsh here.
I'll say the wage, like they pay, is less.
Kaya minsan naghahanap sila ng ibang trabaho kasi hindi nila kayang mag full-time.
Ayon sa ilang mga eksperto, posibleng may kinalaman din ang pagtaas ng unemployment rate sa pagtaas ng mga hourly wages sa bansa. Sa Canada, umakyat ang average salary ng mga tao ng 5% sa loob ng isang taon.
Which sectors actually gained the most, and that is healthcare, gained almost 10,000 jobs, and because we are hiring more healthcare professionals, nurses, doctors, and others. And the second one is finance and real estate. There is a growth of about 5,000 jobs. And the third one is the manufacturing.
Ang hirap kasi yung cost of living dito ang taas.
Basic, we can't just afford our lifestyle. We can't. I think we can't.
Income is same, but the rent are increasing. The grocery rate, the things price is double now.
Oh, here, what I know is the rent for the house rent. Yeah, yun ang alam kong mahal ngayon.
It's really hard to find, do it here, especially in Vancouver.
Ayon sa BC Ministry of Jobs, Economic Development and Innovation, ang British Columbia ang may pinakamataas na average hourly wage sa Canada sa $36.50. Teresa Barrera, Omni News, Vancouver.